Coffee in the morning is a good choice until... Oh no! Those are important documents! The brown noser appears immediately. Hey! Stop that! Max, why are you sneaking? I don't think that is a good idea, Max. The brown noser is watching you. She is always around to spy on you. And then, tell everything to the boss. You are so talkative, brown noser. We don't like you. The Joker! Every office always has at least one prankster. What are you doing with that pushpin, Max? I don't think that's a good idea. Hey girls! Wait, what? Ha 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 ha! I got you, Joyce! Oops, they're mad. I better run. The sick one. The office is so peaceful until the sick one comes. Oh, we better stay away from Amy. Using a mask is a great idea. I will use my scarf. I'm not sick. Ew, I don't want to touch this mug anymore. What's wrong with you? Here's your folder, Joyce. Thanks. Now, everybody in this office is sick. Thank you, Amy. The sleeper. Working hard or hardly working? Then there's Max, who's always sleeping on the job. Wake up, Max! He can sleep anywhere, including the toilet. Hey, everyone needs to use the restroom. Hurry up, Max! I don't care. I just need a nap. Come on, Max. Wake up. This is a meeting. Max! Oh yeah, I totally agree with you. That's a good plan. Huh? What are you talking about, Max? The stress pot. Every office always has a stressful pot. He's nervous when the boss calls his name. Come on, Max, hurry up! Oh no, my boss is angry, and then I'll get fired, and everyone will laugh at me. I don't know what to do. Calm down, Max. Just turn on your laptop and answer the boss's question. The chatter. Working is sometimes boring, and Max just wants to relax. Go away, Max. I'm busy. Okay. Hey, Amy. Do you want to talk? No, I'm busy. Don't worry. I just want to talk to you a little bit. Okay. Oh my gosh, Amy, those are important. Shoot! My documents! Oh no! The boss will be so angry at me! Oops! I didn't do anything. Come on, Max. You shouldn't chat while everybody's working. The thief. Have you ever lost something while you're working and you don't know where it goes? Yeah, probably one of your coworkers is a thief and they'll always steal your stuff. And when you realize your supplies are gone, it's too late. Want to make a hot coffee? Nice. But you shouldn't look away too long, Amy, because the office thief is always around to steal it. Huh? Where's my coffee? I just put it right there. The thief even steals your snacks while you're working. Huh? Really, Max? The office thief? Uh-oh. The hard worker. Max is a hard worker and he comes to work very early. No one's here? That's fine. I'll just focus on working. I have a lot of stuff to do today. 2 hours later, Max's coworkers start coming in. Oh, hi, Max. Hi, guys. Of course, everybody works very hard. Now, it's time to go home. But Max is still working? Wait. Midnight already? I think it's time to go home now. The Chillaxer. There are many types of workers in this office, and the Chillaxer is one of them. It seems like the Chillaxer is very comfortable while he's working. The office looks just like his home, so he doesn't need to stress while working. The Pushover. Another busy day at the office. All out of coffee? Don't worry, I can tell Max to help me. Me? Okay. Make it fast. Max always has to make everyone's coffee. Here you go. Good, you can go now. Max, help me clean my table. Me? Okay. Yeah, that's a pushover. He is always controlled by his coworkers, and we don't want to be the pushover.